In how many ways can four red, three yellow, and two green discs be arranged in a row if the discs of the same color are indistinguishable? Indistinguishable, that means they are identical. And hence, this question can be treated like the question with a spelling with multiple repetitions of the same alphabet. So we have four red, three yellow, and two green discs. So you can assume that the word has the spelling R R R R Y Y Y G G, representing four red, three yellow, and two green discs. Now, the number of arrangements possible for this thing will be 9 factorial, that is the total number of letters in this word, upon R is repeated 4 times, so 4 factorial, Y is repeated 3 times, so 3 factorial, and G is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. Solving this, we'll get the answer as 1260. So answer will be option D.